When most people think about ATVs, they often imagine massive machines with huge engines, extreme suspension travel, and enough power to climb almost anything. We've seen the 1000cc monsters and the racing spec quads. But here's a truth that many riders don't realize until they've been in the game for a while. Most people don't actually need all of that. What many riders are really looking for is something simple, something reliable, something that's easy to ride. We want a machine capable of handling weekend adventures, hunting trips, light farm work, and trail exploration, all without breaking the bank or taking up the entire garage. That's exactly where the 2026 Kymco MXU 300 comes in. It may not be the biggest machine on the market, it may not be the fastest, but for many riders, from property owners to casual trail explorers, this could be one of the smartest choices available today. In a world of overbuilt vehicles, Kymco has doubled down on practicality. Today, we're going to find out why this 271cc powerhouse might be all the ATV you ever need. Let's dive in. At first glance, the MXU 300 looks exactly how a practical ATV should. The bodywork is rugged and purposeful, avoiding unnecessary flash in favor of functional durability. The front and rear cargo racks aren't just for show. They immediately tell you that this machine was designed to work just as hard as it plays. Unlike some of the larger leader-class ATVs that can feel intimidating to maneuver or even just to sit on, the MXU 300 feels approachable. It's compact enough to inspire confidence in newer riders, yet substantial enough to tackle real-world tasks. Whether you're navigating tight, wooded trails where larger machines would get stuck, or you're maintaining property and loading up camping gear, the design feels balanced. It's a machine that fits into your lifestyle rather than demanding you change your riding style to fit it. For many of us, that's exactly what matters. A tool that's ready when we are. Underneath the seat, you'll find a 271cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine. Now, if you're a sport quad enthusiast looking to hit 70 miles per hour, this isn't the machine for you. But for the rest of us, this engine is a masterpiece of efficiency. It's paired with a fully automatic CVT transmission. This is the ultimate stress-free setup. There's no clutch to manage and no gears to worry about shifting. You just select your direction, forward, neutral, or reverse, and ride. The MXU 300 focuses on smooth, predictable power delivery. The throttle response is friendly and manageable, which is exactly what you want when you're navigating a technical trail or pulling a small trailer around the yard. This liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine is designed for reliability. Kymco has spent years perfecting this platform, and for 2026, it's smoother than ever. For most owners, that combination of simplicity and a bulletproof reputation is worth far more than raw horsepower that you'll rarely ever use. One area where the MXU 300 performs surprisingly well is rider comfort. It features an independent front suspension that is tuned to absorb bumps and uneven terrain much better than many machines in this price class. The seating position is natural and upright, and the handlebars are positioned perfectly for easy control without straining your shoulders. Whether you're spending an entire afternoon exploring forest trails or several hours working around a property, the ATV remains comfortable and easy to manage. Its relatively compact size is actually a massive advantage on the trail. While the big quads are struggling to turn around or fit between narrow trees, the MXU 300 slips through with ease. It makes trail exploration feel like fun rather than a wrestling match. That nimbleness is a major selling point for anyone who enjoys the exploring part of ATV riding more than just powering through obstacles. This is where the MXU 300 really earns its keep. Everyday practicality. The front and rear cargo racks provide essential carrying capacity for tools, seed bags, camping supplies, or hunting gear. Because of its size, storage is also a breeze. It fits in the back of most standard pickup trucks and doesn't take up an entire bay in your shed. Fuel consumption is remarkably low, meaning you can spend more time on the trail and less time at the gas pump. And for the home mechanic, maintenance is straightforward. It's a single-cylinder engine with easy-to-access filters and fluid points. For many owners, the MXU becomes more than just a toy. It becomes a vital piece of equipment. One day, it's helping clear brush around the property, and the next, it's taking you 10 miles into the woods for a weekend adventure. That versatility is the true soul of the MXU 300. For the spec heads out there, let's run through the numbers for the 2026 model. Power comes from that 271cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke. The CVT transmission features forward, neutral, reverse, and even a dedicated park position. The fuel capacity is approximately 12.5 liters, which gives you plenty of range for a full day of riding. It's equipped with dependable hydraulic disc brakes, giving you consistent stopping power even when things get muddy. You get electric start as standard, rugged, all-terrain tires that handle everything from grass to gravel, and those signature front and rear racks. Everything about this specification sheet screams usability. Kymco hasn't added a single extra that doesn't serve a practical purpose. It's a lean, efficient, and very capable package. So, who is the 2026 Kymco MXU 300 really for? It's for the property owner who needs a reliable set of wheels. It's for the camper who wants to get a bit further off the grid. It's for the hunter who needs a quiet, compact way to get deep into the woods. The pros? Incredible value for money, legendary reliability, and a stress-free riding experience. The cons? It lacks the high-speed thrill of larger machines, and it's not built for extreme rock crawling. But as we said at the start, bigger isn't always better. Kymco has built a reputation for providing 90% of the capability of the big names for a fraction of the price. The 2026 MXU 300 is proof that sometimes the smartest machine isn't the most powerful one. It's the one that simply gets the job done, day after day without drama. What do you think? Does a 300 class ATV make more sense for your lifestyle, or do you still need that 1000cc power? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail.